What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. In today's video, I am excited to bring you guys a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So let's just jump straight into it. So I have a little baggie right here. So I guess this is the holiday bag. Super cute, y'all. Louis Vuitton be coming through with the packaging. So this is what the bag looked like. Little red handles. Really cute, y'all. So this is the packaging. We love the red ribbon. And then, you know, the original packaging that Louis Vuitton have, standard packaging. So let me show you guys what I got. So I ended up gifting myself this for my birthday. My birthday was in November, y'all. So I never got a chance to do an unboxing with you guys. So I just wanted to share with you all what I picked up. Okay, so I love jewelry. I love dainty pieces. I love, I'm starting to get into more of the high-end accessories and stuff like that. I find myself picking up, like when I go into these luxury stores, I find myself picking up more accessories than bags and stuff now for some reason. So I just been adding, you know, different types of accessories to my collection. So I picked up this bracelet, and this is the Lulu Graham bracelet. So it's really dainty, it's very simple, and it's just a overall beautiful piece. If you have more bracelets from Louis Vuitton, it will look great with your other accessories. Like this bracelet I have, I forgot the name of this bracelet, but I do own several other Louis Vuitton bracelets, and I just thought this will look perfect, y'all. If you can see, hold on, we're gonna try to get it to focus. Give me a second. Simple LV, and then it has two little dangling charms, and I think this is like a pretty light pink. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a very beautiful timeless piece. And then right here it has the LV where you will connect your bracelet. Really cute, y'all. They do have other bracelets with more charms, but like I said, I'm starting to get into more of the simple pieces, and I just thought this was so freaking cute and dainty. Just into those little timeless pieces, and I thought this was really cute, y'all. The retail price on this is let's see, $440. I ended up getting this at the Louis Vuitton New York Macy's store on West 37th Street. It was the last piece left, and I was like, yeah, wrap it up. I need it. It's coming home with me. I love gold accessories. Gold go with everything. I'm always going to be a fan of gold accessories. And then also here, yeah, I don't have my glasses on. I know it said Louis Vuitton. It got something right there. It said something, but I just thought this was a beautiful piece to share with you all. This video is not going to be that long. Like I said, I just love, you know, a cute candy, a cute eye candy on my arm, you know. I love little pieces like this, and it's so simple. I own another Louis Vuitton bracelet, so I think it'll look so cute once I have like all my bracelets on together. And I also seen like a necklace that I'm thinking about getting as well. I believe it's similar to the bracelet. So yeah, I just think every woman should have like some good accessories, you know, high-end accessories in their collection. You can't go wrong with that. And then it's very, you know, affordable, because we know Louis Vuitton can be quite expensive. And it's not real gold, y'all. It is costume jewelry, but overall, I think it's worth it, especially if you want to build your collection and you don't really want to pay that much money. I think, you know, $40 is affordable for a Louis Vuitton bracelet. So start with something simple. They do have some bracelets probably under $400. Like this one might have been maybe three something, I believe. Yeah, you want to start off small. Then you know, you can start with the basic. They even have one probably cheaper than this one, I think. I'm not sure, but just check the website. They do have a lot of nice little pieces that you can start off with to build your collection. But overall, I just had to have it, and I just think it's really, really pretty. So yeah, y'all, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review on my new Lulugram bracelet. Hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next unboxing. Bye.